welcome back and welcome if you're new. This is Hopefully Home and I'm so glad you're here. So today I'm going to start getting my bunnies out and I am so excited. I've been trying to get everything down from the attic and gathered up so I can start decorating for spring. And this is one of my favorite times to decorate. I love bunnies. I love the spring pastel colors. And I cannot wait, but I am running a little bit behind on it. I would have liked to have had this done 2 weeks ago. We just got over having the flu, and so I have got to kick it into gear now. I would love to tell you that I'm decorating in a perfectly clean house, but that is not the case. So today, come along with me as I clean and decorate for spring. Very first off, I'm going to put this sign up because this is my spring and summer sign. I know it's not Easter related, but this is just where we go after Valentine's Day. Okay. And we will play around with the other stuff here in a minute, but I knew exactly where that needed to go, so we might as well take care of it. Another thing I need to do is put fresh glitter on these Easter blocks. I've been meaning to do that for years and haven't done it yet. So today may be the day for that. I'm gonna go see if I have some silver glitter. Okay, I moved all of the Easter stuff onto my table so I could get kind of a clean slate in here and kind of think about how I want to do this. So I'm just going to give the countertops a clean and I think I'll work on the shelf first and see. I'm trying to remember what I normally do there. I don't always do the same thing. I do love using like eggs, like that look real, but they're not, like farm fresh egg kind of things. I love adding that in the spring. We've got a good start because we put so much out for Valentine's Day this year. So we've got a lot of florals out already, a lot of greenery. And so that's going to make this go quite a bit quicker. Today I'm cleaning with my Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle scent. It just smells like spring to me. I love when I get this stuff out. Right underneath that shelf is where I keep my KitchenAid mixer. I need a towel for here, but I think the one I want to use it needs to be washed. But I do need to dust this off. I'm probably going to leave this exactly the way it is. This is what I like to do for spring anyways. I think I was feeling extra spring-like when I put my Valentine's Day stuff out this year because a lot of this stuff carries over. I wanted to get a few new pieces this year, and I did get one new piece, but I never made it out to look at the stuff because I was really hoping to get a few new items this year, because I had some stuff last year that broke, and so I thought, well, maybe I'll get some things to replace where I used to put them, but I never made it out. So we're going to make do with what we have and use that one new piece that I did find. Okay, I'm going to go put this stuff up, and then we'll start on our next area. Got this little area here. I do need to dust this off. I really love this being here. So I might just see if I have something small to put on here, or I may just leave it the same because I really like this the way it is right now. The last thing I'm going to do in here is I'm going to add this Happy Easter towel to my stove. And then the kitchen's done. We can move on to the coffee bar area, which I love to decorate. We're gonna start on the coffee bar area. This is I think the only thing I have left from Valentine's Day that I need to get rid of. And I need to clean this up real quick before I start decorating. So let's get to it. I have these little jars. They're full of jam, and they're not home canned or anything. It's got fabric and then twine around it, and I am going to actually put those in here because it adds kind of like a cottage feel. So I've got well, I might want to add them at the bottom. Let me see. So all I did was I had some scrap fabric, and I got 3 jars of jam at the Dollar Tree and made these cute little things that really kind of make it look like a farmhouse. Okay, so since my dining table currently looks like bunny central, we're going to move into the family room area and do it next so I can get some of this stuff off of here before I do my table. This is one of those areas that I really haven't had time to tidy up yet. So before I get started decorating in this room, I'm going to go ahead and pick everything up and kind of just get it back to where it should be. And then we will start adding all of our fun stuff in here. And now we're in pretty good shape. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start with the mantle. That's kind of always my favorite place to start in this room. Here is what we're left with from Valentine's Day. I had a little sign right here for Valentine's Day. I took that down. I normally always keep these up for at least Valentine's Day through spring. And so these will stay. I'm going to move my Easter blocks here, and I'm going to see if I like this with it, and we'll see what we think. And I probably need to dust, so let me do that. I took my small duster to my mom's because I'm helping her with something, and so just gonna make do with the big duster today. That I got this year for my mantle was this bunny garland. I was in Walmart and I was actually there for Valentine's Day stuff. And I saw this and I couldn't leave without it. I just thought this was so cute. So let me get some tape and I'm going to try to tape this up. So we're now in my classroom area. We homeschool, and so I have the very first room of my house is actually a classroom. It used to be a formal living room, but now this is where we do school. And so above the piano, this may be the one I'm most excited about this year. I am going to do a whole Peter Rabbit setup. I absolutely love Peter Rabbit. And so I'm going to do a whole setup behind me and get it ready for our school days. Well, guys, we did it. We got all the bunnies out and we are ready for Easter. I'm so excited to celebrate our risen Savior, and I want to thank you guys for coming along with me today. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I would love for you guys to come back, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like decorating videos like this. I have a lot more coming up. I have a ton to do, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So I hope to see you next time when I'm hopefully home.